Hi everyone, our next lesson here is all about notes and time signatures. So you'll see we're going to start with 4 notes, basic note types. The first one is a crotchet or a quarter note and it gets 1 beat. The second note here is a minim, also called a half note. It gets 2 beats. And the minim with a dot beside it is a dotted minim or a dotted half note. It gets 3 beats. A semi-breve or a whole note gets 4 beats. Music is divided into groups of equal beats called a bar, and each bar is separated with a bar line. You'll see here we've got a group of 4 crotchets here, and then we've got 2 minims here separated with a bar line. We've got a dotted minim and a crotchet here, and then we have a whole note or a semi-breve there. So all of those in fact equal 4 beats. So we've got 4 there, we've got 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1, and a whole note gets 4 beats. So the time signatures, at the beginning of any piece, there's always 2 numbers called the time signature. The top number tells us how many beats we count per bar, and the bottom number represents the crotchet gets the beat. So looking at this, we've got a 4/4 time signature, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4 on each beat of the bar. So down here we have a 3/4 time signature. We've got 3 beats per bar, and we count 1, 2, 3 in that one. Next we're going to do some counting and clapping exercises. First we check the time signature of each exercise and clapping once for each note and counting. So here we have exercise A is a 3/4 time signature. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and then on the next one we will clap together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And exercise B is also a 3/4 time signature. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And exercise C, 4/4 time signature, counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And exercise D, also a 4/4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, let's move on to our next lesson.